Top or bottom fixing set the metal cover is movable. Wall fixing set the metal cover is secured with screws. The bottom metal cover is secured with 16 mm short screws. Wall fixing metal cover with nut. The side with the nut faces inward toward the pole. The wall metal cover is secured with 25 mm long screws. Secure the wall fixing set in the correct position on the wall. Securing the bottom base bracket to the floor is optional. The distance between the pole and the floor must be at least 50 mm. It is recommended to adjust the pole to be 40 mm away from the wall. Tighten the locking screw after adjusting the correct size. The distance between the pole and the floor must be 50 mm. After installation, the hanging rod is secure and visually appealing. First, insert the cabinet top holder to pole. Insert the shelving bracket holder into the pole. You can adjust the holder to any height. This bracket can be used to secure either the shelving or the cabinet bottom. After securing the screws, cover them with the finishing cap. Installation method of the finishing cover. Measure the dimensions of the screw hole positions. Then adjust the holder to the correct position. Then you can secure the upper screws of the cabinet. Installation method of the decor cover. Thanks for watching.